ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, please watch the previous video and come to this section. This video is helpful for mostly to every student and irrespective of your grades, whether you are in a first or a 10th or 7th, irrespective of the grades, this video will be helpful for you. Okay, so last class ali we did few of the, we understood how to read the headlines basically alva. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, ತಿಳಿಯಿರಿ, ಗುರುತಿಸಿ, ಹೊಂದಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಿರಿ. All these things we learnt in the last class. So ivattu I told you in the last class, in the last video, that I will be explaining in a separate video for viruddha pada and samanarthaka pada, the antonyms, synonyms and all those things. So today we'll be focusing on that one. The first one very important in the other antonyms or opposite words. Okay, so opposite words ke kannadadalli ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, and know that what do we say for meanings, ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, the meanings of the words, ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅರ್ಥ word is very important, we'll be having here. Okay na, ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, that means ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ. So opposite word is called ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು. ಪದಗಳು is a plural form. ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದ is a opposite word. Okay, ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು. With a synonym. Okay, synonyms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The word which has a same meaning but different word. It's a same meaning, different word. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ. ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು. So every word ends with the ಆರ್ಥಕ. ಸಮಾನ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸಮಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the equal. ಅರ್ಥ is a meaning, the equal meaning. The word has the same meaning but different word is a ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು. Then I have homonyms. What is homonyms? Homonyms ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a same word but different meaning. Same word but different meanings. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನಾರ್ಥಕ. ನಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ, ನಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು. ನಾನಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಅಗೇನ್ a different meanings. The word is same but the meanings are many. For example, ತಂದೆ. ತಂದೆ ಅಂದರೆ father, we all know. So there is one more meaning for ತಂದೆ is I bought it. Okay, that is ತಂದೆ, that is also. So the word is same but the meanings are different. Same word, different meaning ಇದೆ. Okay, next we already did meanings ಅಂದರೆ ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ, which is important. First last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ, last videoದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. meanings ಅಂದರೆ ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ. I write it here. Okay, ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, next is rhyming words. Rhyming words ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? For example, we usually see the rhyming words in ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? in a poem ಅಲ್ವಾ? So rhyming words ಗೆ we say ಪ್ರಾಸ ಪದ. rhyming words ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಸ ಪದ, ಪದಗಳು. Okay, rhyming words, ಪ್ರಾಸ ಪದಗಳು. Okay, then I just made a note of it so that I don't leave it. Okay, ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ. Okay, ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ ಅಂದರೆ it comes together. For example, bread butter, bun and butter, bun and jam, bread and jam. So ಈ ಥರ it will come together. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು we call ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we call as a ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ. ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ ಆಯಿತು. ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ ಅಂದರೆ we will be using just like I told you, it's a bread and jam, bun and butter, ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ the word which comes together, okay, like ಹೊಲ ಗದ್ದೆ, ಕಸ ಕಡ್ಡಿ, ಸಂಧಿ ಗೊಂದಿ, like these all words are come under ಜೋಡಿ ಪದ. Okay, next is ದ್ವಿರುಕ್ತಿ. ದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ two, ಉಕ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ word. So ದ್ವಿರುಕ್ತಿ, the word which is in a sentence when I use it 2 times. Okay, ಕೈ ಕೈ, ಕಾಲು ಕಾಲು, ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಣ್ಣು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Sometimes if we use it randomly, it doesn't hold good with the sentence. There will be a separate session which will be done on Dvirukti and all and Jodi Pada. So please wait for those videos. Just for now, just know the meaning of the main headlines. Okay, Dvirukti andre the word which is used 2 times. Okay, Jodi Padadalli it comes together like a bread and jam. Next is a Gade. Gade andre proverbs. Gade andre proverbs. Then we have a Nudigattu. I'll write it here. Proverb, which is repeated 2 times. And this is example like a bread and butter or bread and jam, bun and butter. Okay. The next study we have a Nudigattu. Okay. Nudigattu is a phrases. Nudigattu is a phrases. Okay. Hotte uri, tale tinnu, all these things kind of things will come in Nudigattu. I hope you have understood. If I have missed out anything ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ please to mention in the comment section so that I can give you the meanings and explain it in the next video, or I can explain itself in the comment section itself. So check ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, which is very very important ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ. And please watch the first video also, the previous one if you have not watched it, and share ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. let your friends also learn this. Like ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe to Yashaswi Kannada Vaani for more such videos and for the grammar videos ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ thank you so much. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.